Hi sewing friends, it's me again, Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel, Murr-Made Designs. And we are at day 62 of 365 days of sewing makes. And I am really grateful for you guys tuning in, for all of your comments, and I can feel your love. Thank you so much. I can't even tell you how much I appreciate it. So today I want to show you this cute little top. It is Burda 6262. It's kind of, I don't know if weird's a good name for it, but different. It's kind of different. Show you the line drawings. They have such good line drawings on Burda. It has kind of a drop shoulder with a gathered sleeve, and you can put a cuff on it or not, and you can also kind of highlight the drop shoulder and a V. And this is my version. I don't know if you call that maybe a baby doll style, the way it's just kind of flares out a bit at the bottom. This version didn't have a yoke in it, but it does have the drop shoulders. And it's very interesting to sew because it's just this little piece of material that you cut out separate, and then you gather the sleeve. It's quite a large sleeve. You gather it and sew it to it. And it has quite a small neckline. So there's a slit in the back that I put a hook and eye on. This material, you might think it's plums, but it's figs. Isn't that cute? It's all pink with figs on it. And it's some cotton, quilting cotton, and I got it from a company called Material Girl. It's an online store, Canadian store, and they have some cute stuff. So I don't know, give you another twirl, then I'd like you to tell me what you think of this top. It makes me kind of feel like I'm going like this. That these shoulders really make me look wider. I think maybe it would look better in a drapier fabric, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine how it is. These purple pants I showed you a few days ago. I'll put a link to the video they were in. I think if I wear it, I'll wear it with probably jeans, not these purple pants, but I thought the purple pants kind of showed up the figs nicely. So yeah, love to hear what you think of this. And today, my grateful thread, a couple days ago, I got, we were moving cows, and a calf hit the panel I was standing beside, and the panel hit me. And it hurt. It hurt good, but nothing got broken. I'm very grateful for that. Person always has to be very aware when they're moving animals. This was just a calf, and he got kind of freaked out because we're starting to lose daylight while we were doing it. So it wasn't his fault, but yes, I'm very grateful I didn't get hurt worse. So love to hear what you're grateful for today. And I hope, you know what I hope? I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Till next time.